Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll learn how to use Airtable for personal budgeting, a tool that can take your finance management to the next level. First, sign up for a free Airtable account if you haven't already. It's straightforward and won't take much of your time. The reason we need to do this is because Airtable is the platform where we'll be organizing our budget data. Now that we have our account, let's create a new base. Click the Add a Base button and choose Start from Scratch. This gives us a clean slate to build our budgeting system. Next up, let's name our base Personal Budget, and then create 3 tables named Income, Expenses, and Savings. These are the foundations of any good budget. It's essential to separate these categories so we can clearly see where our money is coming from, where it's going, and how much we're managing to save. Now let's populate our tables with fields that reflect our financial situation. In the income table, we might have fields like salary, freelance work, investments, and so on. In the expenses table, we might have rent, groceries, utilities, and other common expenses. The savings table can have emergency fund, retirement, vacation, and other savings goals. These fields help us specify our financial streams and visualize them better. The reason we do this is that Airtable allows us to input data in a structured way and view it in multiple formats such as a grid, calendar, or Kanban board. This helps us because we can customize how we view our budget and track our progress in real time. Finally, it's time to input our financial data. Let me explain why this matters. By inputting our actual income, expenses, and savings, we're turning our Airtable base into a live personal budgeting tool. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As we update our data, Airtable automatically calculates and visualizes our budget for us. And there you have it. You've just set up your personal budget on Airtable. Just remember to regularly update your tables to keep track of your financial status. This simple yet powerful tool can truly help you manage your finances better. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next video.